Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x by y is equals to a by b is equals to 2 by 3 and y square minus b square is equals to 27 and we have to find x square minus a square. So let's start with the today's video solve. So I'm considering this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So I can write x by y is equals to 2 by 3 and a by b is equals to 2 by 3 also. So from here, the value of y is 3x by 2 and the value of b is 3a by 2. Because y square minus b square is given, so we find the value of y and b here. So I am going to put the value in equation number 2. Y square minus b square is equals to 27. Value of y is 3x by 2 whole square minus 3a by 2 whole square is equals to 27. 3 square is 9 and x square is x square. By 4 minus 9a square by 4 is equals to 27. So if I'll take 9 by 4 as common, so x square minus a square is equals to 27. Now I am going to multiply with 4 by 9 both sides. You can cancel out this. So the value of x square minus a square is 27 times 4 by 9. So 9 times can cancel out at 3 times. So x square minus a square is 12. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.